Driving can be very uncomfortable in hot weather. A car's air conditioning system is essential for a comfortable driving experience. It keeps the cabin cool and removes humidity. This makes driving safer and more enjoyable. Understanding how your car's AC works can help you keep it running smoothly. This will ensure you stay cool on even the hottest days. Several key components work together to keep your car cool. The compressor is the heart of the system. It compresses the refrigerant, a special fluid that carries heat. The condenser then cools the refrigerant, turning it from a gas to a liquid. The receiver Drier removes moisture from the refrigerant. The expansion valve regulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. The evaporator is where the refrigerant absorbs heat from the cabin air. Finally, the blower fan circulates the cooled air into the car. The car AC system operates in a continuous cycle to cool the cabin. The compressor pressurizes and heats the refrigerant. This hot gas then flows to the condenser. The condenser cools the gas and turns it into a liquid. The liquid refrigerant passes through the receiver Drier, removing any moisture. It then goes through the expansion valve, where it expands and cools. The cold refrigerant then enters the evaporator. A regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your car's AC running efficiently. One of the most important tasks is checking the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant can significantly reduce cooling performance. It's also essential to keep the condenser and evaporator coils clean. Dirt and debris can restrict airflow, reducing their efficiency. Regularly replacing the cabin air filter is also important for maintaining good air quality inside the car. Section 5. Compressor, the engine of cool air. The compressor is the powerhouse of your car's AC system. It's driven by the engine via a belt and pulley system. The compressor's job is to draw in low-pressure refrigerant gas. It then compresses it, raising its temperature and pressure significantly. This high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant gas is then ready to be cooled and condensed in the condenser. Without a properly functioning compressor, the entire AC system would grind to a halt. Section 6. Condenser releasing the heat. The condenser, located at the front of the vehicle, plays a critical role in the cooling process. As the hot, high-pressure refrigerant gas flows into the condenser, it meets a network of thin tubes and fins. These are designed to maximize the surface area for heat exchange. A fan draws air over these tubes and fins, effectively dissipating the heat absorbed from the refrigerant. As the refrigerant cools, it condenses from a gas back into a liquid, ready for the next stage of the cycle. Section 7. Expansion valve, a cooling transformation. The expansion valve, or orifice tube in some systems, is a small but vital component. It sits between the high-pressure side and the low-pressure side of the AC system. Its job is to regulate the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. As the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve, its pressure drops suddenly. This pressure drop causes the refrigerant to expand and cool rapidly, transforming it into a cold, low-pressure mixture of liquid and vapor. Section 8. Evaporator and blower fan delivering refreshing air. The evaporator, located inside the car's dashboard, is where the magic of cooling your car's interior truly happens. The cold, low-pressure refrigerant from the expansion valve flows into the evaporator's network of tubes and fins. The blower fan, drawing air from the cabin, blows this air over the evaporator's cold surfaces. As the warm cabin air passes over the evaporator, heat is absorbed by the refrigerant, causing it to evaporate. The now cooled air is then blown into the cabin, providing welcome relief from the heat. Section 9. Conclusion, a cool ride inside and out. Understanding how your car's AC system works can help you appreciate the complex process of turning hot air into a cool and comfortable driving environment. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential for ensuring your AC system continues to operate at peak efficiency. By taking care of your car's AC system, you can enjoy a cool and comfortable ride no matter how hot it gets outside.